What's up guys, it's Jesse, and we're going to be talking about two different types of chemical reactions. Let's get it. Alright, the first chemical reaction we're going to be looking at is called the single replacement reaction. Now, what is a single replacement reaction? Well, it's self-explanatory, and the name says it. It's where one component of a compound switches with another component. Here you can see the reactants and the chemical reaction taking place. The reactants include A and BC. A and B are the positive ions, and C is the negative ion. Note that when there is a single replacement, it's only switching the positive with the positive and the negative with the negative, since ions can't form a bond with the same charge. Here you can see the final products after the single replacement has taken place. Now B is alone and A and C form bonds. Alrighty, one example of this chemical reaction can be zinc and hydrochloric acid. On the left, you can see zinc being added to hydrochloric acid. Single replacement takes place, and with a boom, with a bop, with a bibbidi bop, it turns into zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Whew. You can also see that the product contains 2 chlorine atoms. This is because zinc has a +2 charge and chlorine has a -1 charge, so they need to balance out. There are also 2 hydrogen atoms because hydrogen is a diatomic molecule. Alright guys, the next chemical reaction we're going to be talking about is going to be lit. And I mean it, lit early. Sorry if you found that cringe, but I was thinking about it and I thought it was pretty funny. Anyways, the second chemical reaction we're going to be talking about is called combustion. This chemical reaction produces energy like heat, and it often involves hydrocarbons and oxygen. It's also a subtype of oxidation reduction reaction, aka redox. Redox is a chemical reaction that takes place between an oxidizing substance and a reducing substance. The oxidizing substance loses electrons in the reaction, and the reducing substance gains electrons. For an example, this reaction can occur when glucose and fat are broken down in the body to make energy. One example of a combustion reaction is methane and oxygen. On the left, you can see the reactants methane and oxygen. They go through combustion, and with it turns into carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Okie dokie, folks. That's pretty much it for the slides. Back to you, Facecam Jesse. Alright guys, that pretty much sums up my video. It was quite a bit of information, but I hope you enjoyed the video and learned at least a little bit about chemical reactions. And I'll catch you guys later. See ya.